Good morning friends, this is Shanmukrao Sivala, a lecturer in English. Welcome to today's English grammar class. Let us discuss articles today. And before going to the topic, please like, share to as many as possible friends. Share it to all your friends and groups because these are very useful to everyone. And subscribe my channel. Please press on subscribe, bell and all so that they can get all my videos. Okay friends, let us see articles. Let us learn articles today. What are articles? Articles are a, an and the. These three are called as articles. And so again, a and an are called indefinite articles. A and an are called indefinite articles. And the is called the definite article. The is called the definite article. So when do we use these articles? A and an are used before words with a consonant sound. A or an used before singular countable nouns. A and an are used before singular countable nouns. Singular nouns, and they should be countable nouns. There are two kinds of nouns, countable nouns, uncountable nouns. Pen, pens. This is countable noun. Pen, pens. Pens can be counted. Whereas uncountable nouns cannot be counted. They are sugar, cannot be counted. Salt, sand, milk, water. These are all uncountable nouns. Before uncountable nouns, we don't use the articles. Only these a and an are used before singular nouns. Single. Pen, pencil, book, singular nouns, and they should be singular countable nouns. Singular countable nouns. For example, a ball. Ball is one. Ball, balls. Singular and plural nouns are there. Ball is a singular noun and it is a countable noun. Can be counted. 1 ball, 2 ball, 3 balls and the like. A ball. And an orange. An orange. Orange, oranges. Singular noun. Orange is a singular noun. An orange. A gun. Gun is a singular noun. A gun. So, a and an are used before singular countable nouns. You understood? Again, a is used before words beginning with a consonant sound. A is used before words beginning with a consonant sound. First word and initial sound is important, my dear friends. If the initial sound is a consonant sound, we use a before it. If it is a vowel sound, an is used before it. And a is used before words beginning with a consonant sound. How many sounds are there in English? There are 44 sounds in English. And how many alphabet are there in English? There are 26 alphabet. Alphabet are 26 in number. And consonants are 21. Vowels are 5. Vowels are 5. Consonants are 21. But consonant sounds are 24 sounds. Consonant sounds are 24. Vowels are 5. But vowel sounds are 20 in number. Vowel sounds are 20 in number. And now a is used before words beginning with a consonant sound. Sound is important, not the letter. Let us see. A lion, la, L, la sound is a consonant sound. So a lion, one lion. A tiger, ta sound, consonant sound. A deer, da sound, consonant sound. A boy, ba sound, consonant sound. So these are all words. Beginning sound is consonant. A lion, a tiger, a deer, a boy and the like. Okay, a is used before consonant sounds. Words beginning with a consonant sound. And an used before words beginning with a vowel sound. And an is used before words beginning with a vowel sound. Before vowel sounds we use an. Vowel sounds are 20 in number. And vowel sounds generally are to aha. These are all vowel sounds. And let us see the examples. An ice cream. I sound. I is a vowel sound. An ice cream. An elephant, an elephant. A sound is a vowel sound. An elephant. An eagle, E vowel sound. An American, A sound is a vowel sound. An American. An hour, an hour, hour, an hour. So an is, this is also H is silent, O-U-R is pronounced. An hour. So these are all these words start with a vowel sound. So an is used. So understood, friends? A is used before consonant sounds. An is used before vowel sounds. Up to now it is clear. Now let us see, but you fill in the blanks, friends. Now you have some knowledge about articles and fill in the blank with the right article. University, dash university, European, unit, union, uniform. Which article comes here? Here comes university. Here comes a university. Why? Generally word started with a vowel letter. U is a vowel. A, E, I, O, U are vowel letters. A, E, I, O, U are vowel letters. A, E, I, O, U are vowels or vowel letters. And they produce 20 vowel sounds. How many sounds? Vowel sounds are 20. Vowel sounds are 20. Consonant sounds are vowel sounds are 20, consonant sounds are 24. Together 44 sounds are there in English. And now, so here university, where U started with U. U is a vowel. But we have to take only the pronunciation, not the vowel letters, only pronunciation. University, while pronouncing, we are pronouncing the like this, university. Like this, university, U. So here we are pronouncing the Y sound. Sound is Y. Y sound comes. Y is a consonant. So that's why we have to use a university. A university. And here European. European also. European also YU. European. Here also comes Y sound. Y is a consonant sound. So that's why we have to use A before European. A European. A university. Unit. Unit. Here also comes Y sound. Unit, Y sound. Y is a consonant. So that's why here comes A unit. Similarly, union. Y sound. A union. Similarly, uniform. U, Y sound. A uniform. So here these words are very important because they are starting with a vowel letter, but sound is a consonant sound. So that's why we have to use A before them. We have to remember. We have to remember these words. Similarly, one-eyed beggar. One-eyed beggar. One. O is this word started with a vowel letter. O, vowel letter. But the sound is a consonant sound comes. One, wa, one. W-O-N-E, one. So comes W sound. W is a consonant sound. So that's why here we have to use a one-eyed beggar. A one-eyed beggar. Before one comes A. A1. Similarly, 1 rupee note. 1 rupee note. Wa. 1. W sound. So W is a consonant. That's why A 1 rupee note. A 1 rupee note. So these words, one is very important. Before one we use A because here comes W sound. A consonant sound comes here. Similarly, H-O-U-R. H-O-U-R. Here H is silent. So we are pronouncing it as R, A sound, O, A sound. So an R, an. Before H is silent, H is a consonant. Here also this is pronounced as A sound. H is silent, that's why these three are pronounced as A. A sound is a vowel sound. So here comes an air. Here also this is H is silent. So honest, honest man. O sound is a vowel sound. So an honest man, honest. Similarly, honor, H is silent. O sound, vowel sound, an honor. An honorable man. Similarly, an is used before these words. We have to remember. Now let us learn the uses of the indefinite article. Use of the indefinite article a or an. When shall we use a or an? Number one, first point is used in the sense of one. Instead of saying one, we use a or an. Instead of saying one, we say a or an. For example, I have seen a lion in the zoo. A lion means I have seen one lion in the zoo. We should not say I have seen one lion in the zoo. Instead of one, we use a before it. I have seen a lion in the zoo. A lion means one lion. Similarly, it costs 100 rupees. It costs 100 rupees. It costs 100 rupees. This is the meaning. But instead of one, we use only a. A means one. So it costs 100 rupees. It costs 100 rupees. I have seen a lion in the zoo. Similarly, in the sense of one, instead of one, we use a or an. I have bought an umbrella. I have bought an umbrella. An means here I have bought one umbrella. Instead of saying one, we can say an. I have bought an umbrella in the market. So this is how, friends, we learned the uses of a and an. Number one. Let us proceed to the second uses. Second one is usage is used to refer to a class. When we represent the whole class, we use a before the noun. For example, a dog is a faithful animal. A dog, we said. A dog means it represents all dogs. All dogs are faithful animals. Instead, we can generalize the dog actually. We can generalize it saying a dog. A dog means all dogs. It represents the whole class. And a dog is a faithful animal. A dog means all dogs. Here all. Okay. Similarly, a cow is a useful animal. A cow is a useful animal. A cow represents the whole class of cows. Represents all cows. All cows are useful animals. Generally, we can say a cow is a useful animal. So, when we represent the whole class, we use a before the noun. Next, third use is a used to make a proper noun a common noun. When we use a proper noun as a common noun, we use a before it. For example, only a Tagore can write such a poem. The poem is a great poem. If only a great person like Tagore can write such a great poem. Not Tagore, a great person who is as great as Tagore. Such a great person only can write such a poem. Only a Tagore. Only if we use Tagore refers to that person. Tagore, who won the Nobel Prize for India. Tagore. If we say a Tagore, generalized, made it a common noun. So a person who is as great as Tagore. A great person like Tagore. Only a great person like Tagore can write such a great poem. Only a Tagore, means not that Tagore, a great person like Tagore can write such a poem. You are an Osama bin Laden. You are an Osama bin Laden. Osama bin Laden, he is a great, he is the leader of all terrorists. He became very famous when he collapsed, when he hijacked the aeroplanes and hit the World Trade Center, destroyed the World Trade Center. He is the mastermind behind the destruction of World Trade Center. So you are an Osama bin Laden. You are like Osama bin Laden. You are as cruel as Osama bin Laden. And he thinks he is a Tendulkar. He thinks he is a Tendulkar. Tendulkar means we know Sachin Tendulkar, that person. But if we say a Tendulkar, a person who is as great as Tendulkar. He thinks he is a Tendulkar. He thinks that as if he is a Tendulkar. He feels like a Tendulkar. A Tendulkar, common noun. He thinks he is a Tendulkar. And before the proper nouns we used a, means that becomes a common noun, generalized. And fourth usage is a, used before these words, cold, headache, noise. Before these words we use a. Don't make a noise. Don't make a noise. He suffers from a headache. He suffers from a headache. A bad headache. He suffers from a cold. A cold. Similarly, don't make a noise. A bad headache and the like. And in exclamations, exclamatory sentences where we express surprise, some sudden feelings. At that time, in exclamatory sentences also we use a. For example, what a wonderful sight! What a wonderful sight! The sight is very beautiful, wonderful. What a wonderful sight! What a is used in exclamatory sentence. What a beautiful girl she is! What a beautiful girl! What a beautiful girl she is! And what a pleasant surprise. Suppose our friend met us suddenly, unexpectedly. What a pleasant surprise, we say. And what a. So in exclamatory sentences we use a. And sixth one, in some phrases, similes and metaphors. Phrases. As a matter of fact. As a matter of fact. As a matter of fact is a phrase. What is a phrase? A phrase is a group of words without a verb. Without a verb. As a matter of fact, similarly we use a in phrases. And he is a Hitler. He is a Hitler. A Hitler. So we compared him to a cruel fellow like Hitler. We compared him to a Hitler. So here this is called metaphor. Direct comparison is called metaphor. Here we use metaphor. He is a Hitler. He is compared to a Hitler. A cruel fellow. A great dictator. And she walks like a queen. She walks like a queen. Here this is a simile. Simile means if we use like or as in comparison, while comparing with others, if we use like or as, this is a simile, a figure of speech. She walks like a queen. She walks like a queen. Here in these things we use. And used before abbreviations which begin with. An is used before abbreviations which begin with these letters. We have to learn all these letters like A, E, F, H, I, L, M, N, O, R, S, X are said as individual letters. In abbreviations, we pronounce individual letters. So before these letters, we use an. We use an before them. For example, dash MP, MP, M. M is we are pronouncing it as an individual letter. M. Before M, according to this rule, comes an MP. an MP. A sound is a vowel sound. This is not pronounced as H. This is pronounced as H. A sound. H. A sound. Before A sound, an comes. An comes. Vowel sound. So an HCl product. An HCl product. A. SBI card. S is there. S is also here. S is also there. An SBI card. An SBI card. A sound. Vowel sound. L. A sound. Vowel sound. An LLB student. An LLB student. RMP doctor. R. A sound. R is there. R. An RMP doctor. R. A sound. Vowel sound. But this is also an abbreviation, but this abbreviation is pronounced as a word here. The entire word is pronounced, the abbreviation, but pronounced as a word here. So before such words, if vowel sound comes and consonant sound comes, means A before them. Sark country, sa sound. Sa is a consonant sound. So that's why here we have to use a Sark country. A Sark country. Sa sound is a consonant sound. A Sark country. Abbreviation, but pronounced as a word. We have to take only sound. And dash NATO member. Dash NATO member. Na sound is a consonant sound. That's why a NATO member. A NATO member. Abbreviation, but pronounced as a word. A NATO member. So here Asian member. Asian member. A sound is a vowel sound. So here comes an Asian member. A sound. An Asian member. So okay friends, I hope that you understood up to now. So once again I request you all to like my channel and share it to as many as friends, to all your friends and groups, and subscribe my channel friends. Thank you very much for watching my video.